The tongue is mostly made of muscle, and it is larger than most people think. It is covered with specialized cells on its surface that detect 5 distinct flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and savory. Let's take a look inside with Dr. Roten to see how the brain controls the tongue and how it receives the sensation of taste. Here we see the tongue, which is attached to the jawbone and a smaller bone below that in the neck. The hypoglossal nerve controls movements of the tongue. The glossopharyngeal nerve receives taste signals from the back third of the tongue, and branches of the vagus nerve transmit taste information from the throat. There are also a few taste receptors in other parts of the mouth and throat. The front two-thirds of the tongue sends its signals into a branch of the facial nerve called the chorda tympani. This nerve arches over the eardrum on its way from the area of the ear to the tongue. Here we see the brainstem from the front. Taste information flows into the lower part of the brainstem called the medulla oblongata. This occurs through the facial nerve, the glossopharyngeal nerve, and the vagus nerve. The hypoglossal nerve, which moves the tongue, is also seen. The taste fibers from the medulla then ascend to the thalamus, a major relay station for incoming information of all types. From there, taste information is then sent to the part of the cerebral cortex known as the insula, as well as a part of the adjacent frontal lobe. The insular lobe is hidden under folds of the frontal and temporal lobes, which have been pulled apart to bring it into view. The front part of this area is thought to be part of the primary gustatory cortex that makes us aware of taste. We hope you will savor this small serving of neuroanatomy from Dr. Roten.